Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the car's baseline numbers so every mod shows progress. Once you have a dyno or GPS run, swap to a high-flow intake and correct MAF readings. This improves airflow immediately. Next, change to lightweight crank and accessory pulleys to reduce rotational inertia, which sharpens throttle response. Make sure to use OEM equivalent fitment and torque specs. By beginning with measured gains, you prevent wasted parts and know which next changes yield real speed improvements. Once the intake and pulleys are sorted, focus on freeing exhaust flow and refining engine management. Replace restrictive piping with 5 to 3, 0-inch tubing and a high-flow catalytic converter or test pipe if legal. This lowers back pressure and raises torque. Then, get a custom ECU tune to optimize timing, fueling, and boost targets for your parts. Meanwhile, upgrade chassis components, sway bars and strut braces, and set a performance alignment so the car actually transfers added power to the road instead of losing it to body roll. You finish by rounding out reliability and repeatability. Install better brakes, an upgraded radiator or oil cooler, and lightweight wheels with sticky tires to convert power into lap time. Test incrementally, run data logs for air-fuel ratio, coolant and oil temps, and boost pressure after each change so you can trace issues. If you encounter detonation or loss of power, look first at timing and fueling or a failing knock sensor. Reverting to a safe tune and rechecking sensors prevents engine damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.